We work for CTC, the Core Technology Center, which is a business unit for ASUS. Innovation is of key importance within ASUS business operations. Today, ASUS is positioned as the top company in Taiwan and is one of the major players in the world in the digital space.
CTC is the place where new ideas are conceived and developed. This is the place where the engineers are given free hand to propose new ideas. And this is something which I don't think one can come across in many companies, at least this early in one's career, right?
Also, you may actually get to work on your own idea, propose your idea, and who knows, it could be the next best thing, it could be another EPC maybe. And there are about 50 people in CTC, several PhDs and many people with a lot of years in industry. So rest assured, you'll be working with the best in ASUS and you'll be learning a lot in the process.
We people joined ASUS just 2 months back, and as of now, most of us own more than 2 to 3 tasks individually.
And not just that, even our tasks for the next quarter have already been decided, and while planning for those tasks, we were asked our interest and what we did in our internships and projects at IT we were considered. So naturally, I would be looking forward to work on those parts.
Had we been in some other company, we would have been now going through some regular training program.
Not that training is not all that important, but then, yeah, by now you should know it better than anybody that you learn a lot by doing things. And talking about the job satisfaction part, well, I feel lucky to be part of this group because, well, naturally, when you know that your product would reach millions and you have an important role to play in that, well, I feel very good.
Life in Taipei. Taipei is one of the best cities to be living in. It's got great weather and we have mountains surrounding all sides.
Actually, we have been to 2 tracks.
Yeah.
Since
So
we came.
in the 2 months that we came, we've been on 2 or 3 treks already, and there's a couple of beaches close by, so plans for that.
Hi. One of the first things that drew me to ASUS was that when they showed the gym facility in the ASUS PPT. They have a very premium sports complex here in ASUS headquarters. In the gym, there are treadmills, there are working out equipment, you can pump iron, you can play pool, you can play basketball, you can relax in the spa. There is a world-class swimming pool here. Basically, after a very tired day, you can relax when you come to the ASUS headquarters. It is a rejuvenation therapy.
Here at ASUS, we have lots of clubs where various group activities are performed. Photography, yoga, calligraphy, cycling dances, and many more clubs are there for the employees.
Just now, yeah, we have joined the Jai dance classes.
Yeah.
It's quite a fun.
And it's great fun.
Cultural experience. Initially, there were some problems and we didn't know what was what basically. But now that we have the hang of it, we've got our bearings. So it's not very difficult.
Actually, it's the only difficult part is maybe the language. But
Yeah.
The Chinese class.
Yeah, we're learning Chinese now, which is not easy at all.
Easy. But it's fun to learn Chinese. Language is good.
Yeah.
It's difficult, but good.
Yeah, the language is one issue, but when you go into the city, it's hardly any problem. You can get in and around anywhere you want, so that's not a problem at all. Other than that, food, yeah. Food is, well, for non-vegetarians, it's not a problem. We have a quite a wide variety of non-vegetarian food in the cafeteria.
For vegetarian, I would say it's a bit difficult, but we have lots of options in our cafeteria. We have Subway,
Yeah, we have a subway now.
So there's always an option. And outside the city, in city area, there are lots of restaurants for vegetarians. But and you can always cook food. You'll get raw food here.
Yeah, plus
Can easily.
there are quite a few Indian restaurants in the city. So if you know where to look for Indian food, you know, I mean, you can find it very easily. So in all, not bad. Great actually.
Yeah, in fact, we are enjoying it.
Yeah, it's a good time.